Here is the answer. (327/1000) or any other equivalent fraction. How do we do this? So first of all, we read the question, write 0.327 as a fraction. So I'm going to put this in place value. So I'm just going to rewrite the number 0.327, and I'm going to label the place values units, a tenth, a hundredth, and this is 1,000th. So because it's in the thousandths column, that's going to be my denominator, 1,000, and so these digits here are my numerator, 327, and I don't need to simplify because the question does not ask me to simplify. Here's a question for you to practice. Or before I go to that, so this is my step 1. Step 1 is I identify my place values, and then step 2, recognize the thousandths column, step 2, so that's my denominator there, and then step 3 is I put my digits as my numerator, 327 over 1,000. So those are my 3 steps. Here's a question for you to try. And the answer, so step 1, I'm going to label these units, a tenth, a hundredth, and a thousandth. Oops, units, tenths, hundredths, thousand. So that's my step 1. My step 2 is I can recognize my largest one is 1,000, step 2. So I'm going to have over 1,000. And step 3, my digits are there, so 8, 2, 1. Okay, and here's the last question. Try this last question. Pause the video, and then once you've answered the question, press play. Again, same thing as before. I'm gonna, step 1, label my place value units, 1/10, 1/100th. So that's my step 1. And I can see I'm using hundredths. I'm going to put 100 as my denominator. That's my step 2. And then the last thing is my digits. So 4 and 3 go there. So that's my step 3. So step 1, step 2, and then step 3.